Hello beaders, it's Jerry. Welcome back to Beachside Bead Boutique. And if you are new here, welcome and thank you so much for joining me. And on my channel, I do jewelry DIYs, bead unboxing videos, and bead hauls. And today, we are going to be unboxing, or should I say unbagging, Boss's Bead Bag from Mountain Gems and Beads. Okay, so we are going to open this up and see what's in here. And from my assumption, this is kind of a hodgepodge mixed, just odds and ends, kind of a bag of different mixed beads. So I will let you know if it's worth the money, not worth the money, if it's a good value. We'll just open it up and see what's in here and see if there's actually some nice quality items that I could actually make something with this. So let's go ahead and get started and open this. Okay, this is, a nice little package. I mean, yeah. And I think it is like, yeah, a pound maybe of beads is what it is. Let me see. So first off, they give you a flyer of different things. So we got the treasure chest of beads in here. So, oh, they have some really cute, spooky things. Oh, they have a cute beachy thing too. Okay, anyway, I'll look at this at my leisure. So you do get a little catalog. I mean, it's actually a nice, book with pages here of items that they have. So I'm going to look through that. Okay, so Boss's Bead Bag itself was $9.94. So, I mean, not bad, right? That's a good price for a lot of beads in here. Let's see what we got. And then they did give me a free item too. So this is the free item. Oh, okay. Not bad. Okay, not bad. That's pretty good. Yeah, and this was free. And I love these little chunky stone beads. Yeah, very nice. I could definitely do something with this. And I believe these are magnesite. Okay, but I like that. Let's see what's in the bag. So 1 pound of fun. Awesome. I'm all for a pound of fun beads. Oh, I did cut it open. Doggone it. I didn't want to cut it open like that. Hold on, let me see. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. And this must have been a free gift too. I guess it was just part of the bag. Okay, that's a nice little pendant. Could find something to do with that. Very good. Hold on. I guess I'm going to have to get something to lump this in. Hold on. Go get my little starfish. I don't want to take everything out. Okay, first off, I see this skull. I mean, you guys know I love Halloween, so okay, it has a hole through from the top to the bottom. Okay, and I'm not going to go through everything, but let's just kind of pick through and see. Okay, we got little pendants. And this is a glass bead. This is probably resin or plastic. Okay, we got this piece like that. Got some head pins and eye pins in here, some chain. A couple of big wood beads. Okay, that's cute. That would be cute as a closure. Okay. And then these like silver balls. We have a few of those. We got a earring and a ring. And this is one of those clip earrings, which I don't know much. I guess people still wear them, but okay. All right, let's see what else is here. So I'm seeing quite a few of these little barrel kind of wood beads. And this piece, okay. And a letter. We got an ear hook. Hopefully there's more. Oh yeah, here's another one. Okay, we got a set of ear hooks. That's good. We can make one pair of earrings at least. Yeah, and a lot of head pins. So we got a little bail. And then we got this. That can be used for something. Okay, let's see what else. Oh, jeez. Okay. Oh, we got, look, a lot of head pin. Oh, some huge hoop earrings. Huge. I'm not really into huge. Well, maybe somebody I know is, so I might make them a pair of huge earrings. And we have this ready-made bracelet here. Oh, I could do some with this actually. And then more glass beads. And oh, we got one of these enclosures like this. And here's, oh, okay. A little separator. And I don't know what that is. And we have another skull. Okay. I don't know if we have another one of these. That would be nice, right? If there was two. And we have, oh, another one like this. Okay. But as you can see, just a lot of, like I said, odds and ends beads in here. We have a charm. Well, I definitely think there's enough in here to make something. And it doesn't even have to be something matching. So anyway, yeah, I like this bag. I think it's good. You know, this is, like I said, just a hodgepodge kind of odds and ends of different things. But hey, we can make charms with this. You know, I'll find something to do with these beads for sure. Even when I make my boho beads, I mean, I could use some of these, some of the smaller pieces. Yeah, so anyway, I do recommend the bag, the Boss's Bead Bag. I mean, it fills up my whole starfish here with beads. So yeah, I really like this. It was nice that they gave a free gift, which it did say on the website that I was getting this free gift. So, but yeah, very nice. And yeah, worth the money. I mean, it's not expensive. If you just need some kind of odds and ends beads just to, you know, for a project, then it's definitely, as far as jewelry making, well, it's kind of hard because, you know, there's not really a whole lot of consistent items in here to make a bracelet or a necklace. I mean, unless you want just a mixed kind of a thing, you know. But yeah, if you know you're just doing some kind of a project and you need a lot of beads, well, yes, definitely. So, but yeah, I will definitely find something to do with these beads. I hope you guys like this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. I hope you have a wonderful day and a wonderful week, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.